Now ashen and hollow, it's the bombed-out backdrop for the biggest urban battle of the Pacific War. It takes street by street guerrilla warfare. Shanghai, China. Here, cultures intersect. It's a Chinese city with an American and British settlement. Streets reveal a global mix of carts and cars. It's an international crossroads, but Japan has it in its crosshairs. In 1937, they invade. Their own film shows parts of Shanghai crumbling in a heap. Japan seizes the Chinese portion, surrounding the Westerners. Then Japan storms another city. They overwhelm Chinese forces within days, then massacre up to 300,000 citizens. It becomes known as the Rape of Nanking. The Chinese try to carry on amid the rubble. The horrors linger like ghosts. On this pockmarked building, the invaders flaunt their flag like a brand. Japanese soldiers signal a new imperial presence. America wonders if Japan's ambition ends here or extends to one of its own territories nearby.